we're going to demonstrate another PNF pattern. I'm going to use a stool for this one because our machine's not super tall. If you're doing this at home with like an exercise band, it might work better, but you can, so you're going to start here, arm up, and then you're going to bring it back diagonal again, across the body and down. And as you do that, you'll notice that my palm is facing forward and then down. Again, we get that diagonal motion, and it goes through multiple planes of motion. It's a lot more dynamic, a lot more functional than like a simple curl or shoulder press type exercise. So it's going to work your shoulder in a lot more directions. Thanks for spending a little time with us again at Rally to Rise Physical Therapy. We hope our video helped you.
If pain or an injury is holding you back, we're here to help you get through it.
So give us a call at 208-715-8504. If you don't like calling, you can message us on our website, rallytorisegt.com, or you can stop by our clinic in person. We're located in Ammon, near Walmart and Cal Ranch.
Feel better, move better, live better.